Hi guys, unfortunately Mr. Moore can't be with you this afternoon because I've got to do some maths work. So what I thought I'd do this afternoon is I'd do some recordings. We're going to do a little bit of work on Scratch. Some of it is stuff that you're already going to know how to do, and some of it will be new stuff to you. We're going to do a series of short, I say a couple of things, set you off on a task, you come back to the next task, and we go backwards and forwards when it's the same. And what we're aiming to do over the course of this half term is to make a space themed game based around landing a spaceship on a moving object. Okay, so what we're going to try and do today is we're going to try and import a new sprite. We are going to import a background, and then what we are going to do is we are going to make our spaceship move from side to side. So we're going to start off by opening up Scratch. Now we're going to use the online version of Scratch, so you're going to need to go to a browser. My preference is Chrome, though you can use Internet Explorer if you wish. So click on the link for Chrome. And then when it comes up, you can start searching for Scratch. Just have to type it in. And then you click the first link that comes up. So Scratch, Imagine, Program, Share. Okay, we're going to go on to create because we want to create something. This might come up that says right click to turn on Adobe Scratch. If you do, click it and a little box will come up over here in the top left hand corner that will ask you to run it. You just click run and then it should go through and it should work. Here's our Scratch screen that we've all been used to before and we've all used before. We're going to click this little tutorial box away. We don't need it, so we're just going to click that away. Now we don't need the cat either, so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that. So we right click on that and we go to delete. Got a blank screen now, and what we're going to do is we're going to put in our spaceship. Now today I'm going to let you use the spaceship that is a part of the Scratch package. So you're going to click on this icon here which says choose sprite from library. You're going to click on that. We are going to click on space. And then we want this one here when it comes up, which is the one that says spaceship. So we click spaceship and we click OK. So we've got our spaceship up there. What we're going to do next is we're going to customize him. Okay, so you're all going to import the same spaceship, but we want them to look different, so we're going to do a bit of colouring with them. So we're going to go across to costumes. And you'll see we've got two costumes here. Now, Mr. Moore earlier on tried to fill the colour in. I wanted this red bit to go yellow, but I kept finding that when I put my mouse over, it was making the whole thing yellow. Okay, and I don't want that whole thing yellow, I just want the red thing yellow. What I found to do is this button down the bottom here, it says it's in vector mode, and it says convert to bitmap. Now if I convert it to bitmap, and then try and fill it, click on the bucket stuff goes to the other side. And I choose yellow and I click on there and then I get just a yellow bit. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to keep the pink bit there. I'm going to make the window slightly darker and I'm going to make the wings of my rocket, I'm going to make them a green colour. Okay, so that's my rocket. Now the spaceship has two costumes. The second costume is the original one, so anything you do to the first costume I'd recommend doing to the second. Okay, you can discuss with your partner as well what's the same and what's different about the two costumes. Okay, so when you've done your design like that, change that one so it has the same colour scheme. Okay, that is task number 1. That shouldn't take you very long, between 5 and 10 minutes. Off you go.